Namaste, I'm Sunni and I wanted to talk about our pets and how can we naturally take care of them, what essential oils and carrier oils are good for them. So for our pets, we can go in for essential oils of lavender, chamomile, clary sage, cedarwood, ginger, frankincense or myrrh. So these 7 are like the safe essential oils for our pets. I would go with lavender from this list. Lavender is something that suits all age types and it suits everyone, all types of skin ailments. It suits humans, it suits animals. It's like the safest essential oil. So I would go with lavender from this list. And in terms of carrier oils, you can go with coconut oil or sweet almond oil. These two are absolutely safe for your pets. And if you want to make a shampoo for them, a natural shampoo, first of all I would suggest do not buy the shampoos that are available in the market because they have a lot of harmful chemicals. They may make your pet smell nice in the short run, but the pet could develop skin allergies and itch in the long term. So I would not recommend. I mean, after reading the ingredients, I find them very, very harmful. So I make a homemade shampoo for my own dog, and I make it basically with castor soap base, and I add apple cider vinegar, aloe vera and glycerin to it, and it's very, very safe, and it's very good for the hair as well. It keeps the pH level intact for the pets. So that's it from me for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.